So one of our last classes of the semester was trigonometry, and one of the things we looked at was how can you determine the length of one side if you have an angle and another side? Well, good old trig ratios to the rescue. So here we have an example. We've got a right angled triangle. This angle is 78 degrees. This side is 20 meters long, and we want to find out how long that side is. Now, one of the first things I'd recommend you do is that you label the triangle. From this angle's perspective, this is the adjacent side, that's the opposite side, and that's the hypotenuse. We're trying to find the hypotenuse, and we know what the opposite side is. So if we're going to work with opposite hypotenuse, that's sine. Remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the sine of 70 degrees is going to be the opposite side, 20 meters divided by x. This is kind of a poser for some folks. Okay. We need to get that x off the bottom. Well, what I suggested to you in class is we can just switch these two. Now the math behind it is I multiply both sides by x, then I divide both sides by the sine of 78. But some people like to know all I'm doing is switching those. Mathematically, we multiply by x and divide by sine of 78. This will give us x is 20 meters divided by the sine of 78, which equals, and pardon me while I go out of shot, need my calculator for this, I don't have sine of 78 memorized. So that'll be 20 meters divided by the sine of 78. Going out at least 4, I'm going to 5 decimal places. That'll ensure the accuracy. So the sine of 78 is 0.97815. It's 8147, so rounded is 815. So we can take 20 and divide it by the sine of 78. I get 20.4 meters. So this side is 20.4 meters. The trick to this, label those sides, see what you're trying to find, see what you know, and that will tell you what ratio you have to use.